Welcome to another DIYauto.com video DIY. In this episode, we'll be replacing the charcoal canister on a 2011 Volkswagen CC. A bad canister will make it difficult to fill your gas tank and can potentially throw an engine code. It is also recommended to check your purge valve. To access the canister, you must jack up the car and remove the rear passenger wheel. Next, remove the wheel liner, which is held on by several Torx screws. There are several hoses attached to the top and bottom of the canister that you have to remove, as well as a smaller canister held on with 2 Torx screws. There are also 2 bolts at the bottom that you have to remove, which hold the canister to the car. The last thing holding the canister on is a hook which goes into the back of the canister. It is kind of a pain to remove, but just keep trying. Now you have the canister out of the car. There is a hose clip on the bottom which you may have to transfer to your new canister. Now you can install your new canister. Reattach the hoses, attach the canister to the hook, and start re-screwing the bolts. Double check all the hoses to make sure they're on tight. With the canister in, you can reinstall the wheel liner. Wait until all the screws are in before tightening them down, because you may have to adjust the liner as you install it. Reattach the wheel and you're done. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.